Well guys, it's a sad day here at the Drake Hotel. I don't look too sad, do I? It's a sad day because we are parting with the Haima. The Haima is gone. Mark, what's happening?
My gosh, guys, this is the saddest day in Drake Hotel history.
It's tragedy.
I'm choking up here, guys.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Choked up.
This is a sad moment. This is the goodbye to Haima.
Well, it's a good moment for us.
Yeah.
It's a good day for this gentleman right here.
Dean here.
Dean here is the proud owner of a 2023 Haima, the best vehicle you can buy on wish.com.
I'll tell you what, it's certainly value for money. It's got all the bells and whistles.
It is. It's a great vehicle. We've had a lot of fun in it. Went to a few places in it.
Yeah.
Haima's been good to us.
It's been great too.
The Haima is good.
The Haima is good. Life is good with Haima.
Nothing like a Haima to start your day.
Yeah.
Thanks very much
man.
once again, Mark. I really do appreciate all of what you've done.
Yeah. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And for you guys out there that also want your own Haima, go see Hart down at the Haima dealership, and he'll take good care of you.
Hart?
Yep.
His name is Hart.
His name is Hart. He's got a lot of heart.
He's got a lot of heart to sell you a Haima.
Yeah. Tell him Drake sent you from the Drake Hotel, and he'll take good care of you.
Yep. Hart down in Daewoo will sell you a Haima.
Yep.
And if you got a used Haima sitting around, Mr. Drake here will sell you one.
That's right.
Just like you did Mr. Dean here.
And thanks very much, Eric, for a great dinner tonight. Much appreciated.
You're welcome,
Good feed,
sir.
good
You're
feed,
welcome.
thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you, sir.
Wait, Mercy's tearing up. Mercy's tearing up back here. Mercy's tearing up. She won't let go. It's like
Can I take this seat?
just take the chair. All right, Remy.
Hi.
You're the proud owner of a Haima. What do you think?
Oh, blessed. I won't be driving for a while.
You were going to take it easy. You said you're going to start driving at like 3 a.m.
3 in the morning
to get practice.
Traffic.
Right, no traffic.
No traffic.
Well, you'll be surprised how much traffic there is at 3 a.m.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Welcome to the Philippines, right?
This is awesome.
All right, guys, the Haima, history in the making. The Haima is out. What's the next vehicle coming along? What are we going to get?
It's a secret.
It's a secret.
You'll find out soon enough.
The Drake Mobile. It's going to be like shaped into like a big duck.
Yeah, it could be the Duckmobile.
We're going to put wheels on that duck.
What's up, everybody?
CJ's here. He missed his chance. He didn't know Mark was selling the Haima.
I already bought his last car.
Or he would have. Yeah, you already bought his last car, but still. CJ just came up and said, "What the hell's going on?" I said, "Well, you're losing the Haima.
Buy this one? No.
You didn't even get a chance to buy it. You missed out."
What'd you buy? When did you get to replace it?
Oh, that's a surprise.
You bought a motorcycle?
For $1 million.
He'll sell it to you for $1 million.
You bought a motorcycle now? You just upgraded to the motorcycle, or? No, I'm in the market for a motorcycle.
Yeah, there they go. Will the Jeep stop? Oh, the Jeep stopped. Lucky day. You get them out safe, Froji. Get them out safe. Don't let them wreck the Haima on the first move here.
Don't go. Baby, come back. Oh no. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hurts. It hurts.
Yeah.
Oh, it hurts.
Help walking
I'm weak in my knees.
You help walking back in. Oh my goodness. It's a heart-wrenching moment, guys. The Haima leaves the parking lot. It's the last time you'll see the Haima on a video. Well, I can't say that for sure. Dean might come back by, you never know. We'll put him on.
Guys, there's only one cure for a broken heart when you sell your Haima. It's biscuits and gravy. You know that gravy gets down in the heart,
That helps.
clogs everything up real good.
Lubricates it up.
Yeah, it gets in those cracks of that broken heart. I'm going in to get some biscuits
All
and
right,
gravy.
let's do it. Check this out, everybody. We have hit the jackpot here at Papi's. We decided to do this pork tenderloin, Kentucky pork tenderloin. Check out them onion rings. Woo.
That is fantastic.
That is a hell of a sandwich, right? That is more meat than bun by far. Check this out. No,
that is impressive.
that is a piece of breaded pork, tender, juicy, delicious, all the fixings. I'll show you how I do it. Oh, somebody's showing the steak over here too. I think Aaliyah is trying to push the steak on these people over here. We love our steaks here, our ribeyes at Papi's. That's our showpiece. All right, Mercy's going to demonstrate how to eat a Kentucky pork tenderloin sandwich here. Oh, come on, demonstrate for me.
Okay.
I just keep eating these onion rings. I can't stop.
Oh, the sweet potato.
We got a little sweet potato sample here. Coming up Thanksgiving dinner. Had one of my guys cook us up a local sweet potato. Look at that, delicious sweet potato. Cooked perfectly. All right, show us how it's done. Oh my goodness. That is a lot of food for one lady to eat. You're speechless. You're speechless because you can't talk with your mouth full.
It looks like it's way too much.
Oh,
perfect.
You're not going to have a problem with that.
No.
She's not going to have a problem eating that, folks. I know what you're thinking out there. Mercy will never eat that big sandwich. She'll do it. She'll do it. All right, here's how you do this Kentucky tenderloin sandwich. I prefer to go a little bit of Tabasco on mine. So I do it not buffalo style, but Tabasco style. I make sure to put a little bit of Tabasco on mine, all the way across. And then I go mayo on top of the Tabasco, just like so. And then I go with all the fixings here. We got to do it like this. It's almost shaped like the sandwich. Perfect. There we go. That is what I call dressed up. There we go. That's a picture right there. Oh, going in for the kill. Crunchy, delicious. I tell you what, guys, that is a sandwich right there. All right, guys, we are here with some more subscribers that came to visit with us, and they come bearing gifts. Of course, license plates always, right?
Yeah, we're here from Wisconsin. I'm Dennis, my wife Jennifer, and my son Aiden.
All right, Jennifer, Aiden, Dennis.
And with us, we brought a couple license plates. Now, we have a special one here.
That is.
It's Wisconsin veterans. It's initials of Dan Molenpaul. He was actually stationed in the Philippines for 3 years. He has since passed away.
Wow. Be an honor to hang that up in the bar here.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And then we have another one.
Sweet.
From Wisconsin, a friend of mine who's also a subscriber, Charles Brennan, known as Chaz. This is very, very tough for him to give up.
Really?
It's a Green Bay Packers
Yes.
license plate from Wisconsin.
Oh, yeah.
All the Green Bay fans, check it
And I
out.
think he's the biggest Packer fan in Wisconsin.
Yeah.
Thank you, Charles.
Yeah, man. Thank you. We'll proudly hang that up as well.
Yes.
So we get 2 Wisconsin plates today. Very nice. We'll be glad to put them up. Very special too.
Yes.
Both of them are special. A former Marine here that's since passed, and he served his country and did it well, I'm sure. And then this gentleman here, who's a great Packers fan.
Yep.
Green Bay all the way. He had his own personalized plate to prove it, right?
Sure.
Check that out. Awesome. Here, look at that delicious chicken parm you've got.
Amazing. I can't wait to get into it.
And you have the ribeye. That looks amazing too. With coleslaw. I love the coleslaw. You didn't want two sides? You get two.
There is, but
Oh, he's eating your other side. I see how this works. You're sharing. All right, guys.
We were
So,
watching an earlier video that was talked about the coleslaw, and that's
that turned you on. Well, I hope you enjoy. Well, I'm going to let you guys eat, and I'll be back in a minute.
All right, thank you.
So, how was dinner tonight? You had
Awesome. Chicken parm. Absolutely fabulous.
Yes, and then you had the steak, and I saw you almost ate all of it. And this big guy had a milkshake and probably part of Mom's steak, right? All right, cool. You guys very much, everybody that comes in and brings these license plates, man, we do appreciate it. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for all the nice comments. We'll see you on the next video.
thank you. Bye.
Bye.